ॐ नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityananda. We welcome all the prince and princess in training of His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. We welcome all the viewers of Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live for the series of sessions on Samraj Lakshmi Pithika. We also welcome all the registered students of the Nityananda University for the series of session on the same. And we are into the 17th Patala, Saptadash of Patala of Samraj Lakshmi Pithika. Before we enter into the further shlokas, let us chant the Mangala Shloka. सन्मार्गवर्तिनां राज्ञां साम्राज्यप्रतिपादनात् साम्राज्यलक्ष्मीरिति सा कथ्यते श्रीर्जगत्त्रये. So the 35th shloka, 36th shloka, we need to continue. Chakrat bahihi chatasrishu vidikshu kramasho yajet charakincha vidarincha putanam paparakshasim. Chakrat bahihi, outside of the chakra. Outside of the chakra. Outside of the Vastu chakra, Vastu mandala. Chatasrishu vidikshu. Which is the Visheshanam, which is the Visheshyam? Chatasrishu vidikshu. What is that? Vishe? How do you say? Just there are two words and I am asking two with which is Visheshanam, which is Visheshyam. Just you are telling so that it will come. Why tell why? Chatasrishu is Visheshanam. Chatasrishu is Visheshanam. Vidikshu is Visheshyam. Why? Because Vidikshu in the direction, in the subdirections. Chatasrishu in the four subdirections. Vidikshu. Kramasho yajet. Kramashaha means Kramena. Kramashaha. Sequentially. It means. Sequentially, yajet, do worship. For what? Charakim. What are all the devatas? Charaki, Vidari, Putana and Paparakshasi. Charaki, Vidari, Putana, Paparakshasi. Next, Dikshu Skandam Charyamanam Jrimbhanja Pilipinchakam. Dikshu, Dik in the directions, in the in the directions. Vidikshu means in the subdirections. Vidikshu, what is subdirections? In the interjunction of two directions. Vidikshu in the directions. Skandam Charyamanam Jrimbhanja Pilipinchakam. So, Skanda, Aryamana, Cha Aryamana, Cha plus Aryamana. Skandam cha Aryamanam Jrimbham cha Pilipinchakam. Skanda, Aryamana, Jrimbha and Pilipinchaka. Sampujya Nama Mantrestu Kunde Khandendu Sannibhe. Swagrihyokta Vidhanena Samsthapyagnim Swadeshikaha. Till now, the explanation of the Vastu Mandala and how the puja in the Vastu Mandala should be done was explained. Sampujya Nama Mantrestu. After having worshipped all these devatas with the Nama Mantra, remember Shikhyadi Pilipinchanta Vastudeva Himadrije Hridibadhanjali Puta Makutadi Vibhushitaha. 34th shloka yesterday we saw. Shikhyadi Pilipinchanta. Shikhyadihi. All the devatas that start with Shikhyadi, Shikhi. No. What are all the devatas? Where do the Shikhyadi devatas come? Welcome. Welcome back. Huh? Ishanadi, right. Ishanadi. Ishana Padamarabhya Dvatrimshat Koshtakeshu cha Pradakshinyena Pujyasyuhu Dvatrimshat Shikhi Purvakaha. Starting from Ishana. This is in this is the third Avarana. What is the first Avarana? We'll revisit at the end of the session. Ishana Padamarabhya. That is yesterday's session. Ishana Padamarabhya. Both of them? Ishana Padamarabhya. Starting from Ishana Padam. Dvatrimshat Koshtakeshu cha. In the 32 Koshtakas. And in the 32 Koshtakas, Pradakshinyena. In the clockwise manner, in the Pradakshina way. Pujyasyuhu, Pujyaha. Have to be worshipped. Pujyasyuhu. Who? Dvatrimshat Shikhipurvakaha. Dvatrimshat Devataha. Dvatrimshat 32 Shikhipurvakaha. Shikhi. Purvam Yesham Te Shikhi Purvakaha. Shikhi is the starting of the Shikhi becomes the first of these 32 devatas. Shikhi Purvakaha. So Shikhi Chaivatha Parjanya. Shikhi Chaivatha Parjanyaha Jayantah Kulishayudha Surya Satyo. Yesterday we saw, once again we saw, this was day before yesterday's session. After this, so all these devatas we saw. Yesterday in the 34th shloka, Shikhyadi Pilipinchanta Vastudeva Himadrije Hridibadhanjali Puta Makutadi Vibhushitaha. The Vastudevatas that's starting from Shikhi, Shikhyadihi, Shikhi Adihi Yasya Saha Shikhyadihi, Pilipinchantaha. Pilipinchaha antaha yasya saha. Pilipinchaha. Pilipincha is the end of that which group. So now if I tell, understand this. Starting, I'm telling this first row. To tell this first row of balasans, how will I tell? So let me take Abhi is the beginning and Jnana Prakasha is the end. Tell anyone, try. Like how we say Shikhyadi Pilipinchantaha. Are you understanding? So why do you say the Pankti? Pankti is line. The farthest Pankti, Abhi is in the beginning. Abhi Adihi Yasyaha Sa. Yasyaha means for that which Pankti, for that which row, Abhi is the beginning and Jnana Prakashananda is at the End. All these devatas are Hridibaddhanjali Putaha. In the heart, they are having the Namaskara Mudra, Anjali Mudra. Makuta Adi Vibhushitaha. They are all decorated with Makuta, etc. So, come back. Dikshu Skandam Charyamanam Jrumbhancha Pilipinchakam. This is the end. So, Charaki, Vidari, Putana, Paparakshasi in the direction, corner directions, Kona, Dikkona, Skanda, Aryamana, Jrumbha, Pilipinchaka. All these devatas are in the Purvadi Chaturdikshu, Chaturdik, 4 directions. Sampujya Namamantreistu. After having worshipped them with their Nama Mantra. Yesterday, in the session, we saw how the Nama Mantra has to be used. Pranavadi Chaturthyantaihi. Pranavam Adihi Yasya Saha Pranavadihi Om. Chaturthyantaihi Nama Mantrakaihi. The Nama Mantra which ends with Chaturthi Vibhakti. So, Om, for example, Om Skanda. Make it as Chaturthi Vibhakti. Om Skandaya. Namontaihi. Om Skandaya Namaha. With this, Sampujya Namamantrestu. Kunde Khandendu Sannibhe. Kunde, in the Kunda, Khandendu Sannibhe. Khandendu, Khanda is cut. Indu, Chandra, Ardha Chandra. In the Ardha Chandrakara Kunda, in the semicircular Kunda, Swagrihyokta Vidhanena Samsthapyagnim Sadeshikaha. Fifteenth chapter, 16th shloka. Karaye Vastu Homartham Vedyaha Dakshina Bhagataha Kundam Khandendu Sadrisham Purvaval Lakshananvitam. The 16th shloka of the 15th chapter, which is Mantapaswarupa Kathanam, Mahashanti Prayukta Mantapaswarupa Kathanam. The 16th shloka tells, make the home, create a Vedika on the southern side of the, create a Homakunda on the southern side of the Vedika. What kind of a Homakunda? Kundam Khandend, no. Because I now told semicircles, but did you hear the word semicircle in the Moola Shloka? Then don't have filtered listening. Kundam Khandendu Sadrisham. Kundam, what kind of a Kundam? Khandendu, Sadrisha, Sannibha. All these mean like, similar. Sannibham, Sannibha. Sadrisha. All these look alike. Looking like. Look alike is different, looking like is different. Kundendu, Khandendu Sadrisham. The Kunda which in the form of the Khandendu, Indu, Chandra, Ardha Chandra means Khandendu, Ardha Chandra Kara Kunda. Purvaval Lakshananvitam. So remember, now he tells, we are now connecting all these to the Mahashanti. All this is being told for a part of the Mahashanti. Why should the Mahashanti be done? Why should the Mahashanti be done? Utpata Bhaya Shantyartham. For the Nanotpata Bhiti Shanta Jata Sanjata Bhiti Shantaye. For the Shanti of the Bhaya, fears which are arising out of various kinds of Utpatas. What should the Mahashanti be preceded by? No, what should precede Mahashanti? Mahapuja, then you notice the Utpata, then Mahadu, Mahapuja, then Mahadu, Mahashanti. For the Mahashanti, you create the Mandapa. Nityanandam. So, Mandapa Nirmanam, then Acharya Ritvigvaranam for the Vastu Puja, and then Vastu Homa. For the Vastu Homa, Vastu Pujanam is now being told. Till now, for the Vastu Pujanam, the Vastu Mandala was explained what are all the Devatas. In all these sthanas, you have to keep the Kalasha. How many Kalashas? Kalashan Koshta Sankhyakan. How many ever Koshtas are there? That many number of Kalashas have to be kept. Kalashan Koshta Sankhyakan. How many padas have to be made out of this mandala? For this mandala, first you make the mandala, make the square mandala, and in that you make pada, and then out of those padas you make koshtas. How many padas? Ekashiti padam, 81 padas. 81 padas have to be made. Out of that, how all, which side, how many koshtas have to be made was explained. How many ever devatas are now here being explained? Those many koshtas. Kalashan, koshta. Padas, you make it for making it equal, geometrically equal sections. Out of those equal sections, see, suppose there is a floor tile here. Okay. So let me suppose that this maroon color is not there here. This kavi color is not here. Let us suppose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take these 15 tiles. These 15 tiles are equivalent to 15 padas. Right? Now, for example, if these three have to be taken together, 1, 2, and 3 are to be taken together and made as one koshta. Means one devata will be worshipped in these three padas which make one koshta. "81 padas, totally. 81 pada means 81 equal squares. Yeah, that is what I told. Thank you. Yeah. So I am connecting why we are learning what we are learning from wherever we started. Madhye chaikapadastu yekaha Chattvaraha Tripada Smritaha. 11th shloka of the same patala. Madhye cha ekapadaha. In the center, Madhye chaikapadastva Chattvaraha Tripada Smritaha Dikshu Koneshvekapadaha Chattvara Parikirtitaha. the making the koshtas out of the padas was explained from the 11th shloka of this patala. Now going back to the 37th shloka. Sampujya nama mantrestu kunde khandendu sannibhe. So now this kunda is in the Dakshina Dik, southern side of the Pradhana Vedika, Mahashanti Prayukta Vedika, the Vedika which is made for the Mahashanti. Swagrihyokta Vidhanena, according to one's own Grihya Sutra. According to one's own. So it means very clear it is Vaidika Agni. Swagrihyokta Vidhanena Samsthapyagnim Sadeshikaha Mukhantam Karma Kritvatha Hotribhir Brahmana Saha. Swagrihyokta Vidhanena, according to one's own Grihya Sutra, Samsthapya Agni, Agnim Samsthapya, the Agni Sthapana has to be done in the Kunda, in the Homa Kunda. Mukhantam Karma Kritvatha. Mukhantam. What is Mukhantam? Agni Mukhantam. Agni Mukham is a ritual in the, like Agni Karyam, Agni Mukham is a ritual in the Vaidika Agni, in the Smarta Kriya. Abhimukam, idu Mukhantam. Abhimukam is facing. That is not a ritual. Abhimukam, now I am sitting Purva Abhimukam, sitting facing east. I am sitting camera Abhimukam, sitting in front of camera, like that. Mukhantam Karma Kritvatha. So Mukhantam is Agni Mukham. Karma Kritvatha, until the Agni Mukham, the karma, the kriya has to be done. Hotribihi Brahmana Saha Atha. Hotribihi Brahmana Saha Atha means thereafter. Hotribihi along with the hotas. Hotribihi Brahmana Saha, along with the Hotas and the Brahma. The one Brahmana who is being called for Sarvakarma Anusandhanam Kartum Brahmanam Adrije, the Paramashiva told na. For that Brahma, his position is Brahmasthana. Brahmajajnana Mantrena Palashair Homamacharet Ashtottara Shatam Vidwan Ashtavimshati Mevava. With the mantra Vastu Brahmajajnanam Prathamam Purastad Visimata Suruchovena Avaha mantra. With the Brahmajajnana mantra, the mantra that starts with Brahmajajnanam, Palashair Homamacharet. With the Palasha. Palasha means that which is derived out of Palasha. Palasha is a vriksha. Palasha is a tree. Palasha is the samit that is taken out of the Palasha vriksha. With the Palasha vriksha samit, the homa macharet, do the homa. Ashtottara shatam vidwan. Vidwan means all the brahmanas, the learned person. Like how you tell in the court, the learned public prosecutor, the learned counsel. You say that way. Here vidwan is being told. Ashtottara shatam. Ashtottara shatam means 108. Vidwan. Ashtavimshati mevava. Or va. Va means athava. Va means or. Ashtavimshati mevava. Ashtavimshati. Vimshati means 20. Ashtavimshati 28. Ashtavimshati mevava. Either do 20, offer 28 times ahuti or 108 times ahuti. Vastoshpate pratityuktva durva homam samacheret. With the palasha vriksha, with the palasha samit, you have to do the homa with the mantra brahmajijnanam. With the mantra vastoshpate, that starts with the mantra that starts with the word vastoshpate, durva homa has to be done. Durva grass has to be offered as ahuti, as the dravyam during the ahuti along with this mantra. Vastoshpate pratarane iti mantrena payasam. Vastoshpate prati. The mantra that starts with Vastoshpate prati durva homam. Vastoshpate pratarana. The mantra that starts with Vastoshpate pratarana, homa should be done with payasam. What? What did you tell? You have to offer a little. And you have to keep the Agni that much bright. Durva. Vastoshpate pratarana. Vastoshpate pratarane. That mantra, payasam. Hutva vastoshpate shagmayeti khadira sambhavaihi. After having done these three homas, what are all these three homas? Palasha samit homa, then durva homa, then payasa homa. Then fourth is with the mantra that starts with vastoshpate shagmaya. With the mantra that starts with Vastoshpate Shagmaya. You have to offer homa, offer ahuti with the dravyam, the samit from Khadira Vriksham. Khadira Sambhavaihi. Each mantra samit, mantram dravyam is being told. Samidvaraihi sambhavaihi khadira sambhavaihi samidvaraihi purvavacha hutva purvokta sankhya. All each ahuti should be either offered as 28 ahutis, 28 sankhya ahutis. The sankhya of the ahuti should be 28 or 108. Purvavacha hutva, like earlier, do homa purvavat. What is Purvavat? What is the meaning of Purvavat? How do you say? Split and tell. Only then. What is Purva? What is Vat? Before then. That is why I asked. Earlier itself, in previous sessions, we've been told Vat is a. No, Vat is a pratyaya suffix. If you add it to any word, it will mean like dash. Dash vat, like dash. Shiva vat means like Shiva. Devi vat means like Devi. Purvokta sankhya. Amivaheti mantrena tilahomam samacharet. With the mantra that starts with Amivaha. Amivaha tilahomam. You have to do the tilahomam. Tila. You have to offer sesame seeds into the sacred fire, which is in the form. Amivaha. Evam prithak prithak hutva. In this way, separately, ahuti has to be offered. Shikhyadinam hunet tataha. वास्त्वावरण देवानां समिद्भिश्चरुणा ततः गोधूमैश्च तिलैश्चैव ह्याज्येन च पृथक् पृथक् अष्टौ पञ्चाथ तिस्रो वा जुहुयादाहुतिः क्रमात्. For the Shikhyadi devatas, for the Shikhyadi Vastu devatas, then the Homa has to be done. For the Vastu Avarana devatas, these are the Vastu Avarana devatas. First is, we said, Shikhyadi devatas form the third Avarana. With what should you offer the Homa? Samidbhis charuna tataha. Samidbhihi. With Samit and Charu. Charu is uncooked rice. Charuna tataha. Godhumaischa Samidbhihi Charuna Godhumaihi Tilaischa Ajyena cha. Five dravyas. With 5 dravyas, you have to offer Ahuti. Samit, Charu, Godhuma, Tila, Ajya. Godhuma is wheat. Sa. Pardon, Maharaj? Charu. Samit, Charu, Godhuma, Tila, Ajya. Charu will not be like, Havis will be direct rice, with only rice. Charu will be like slight kanji kind of a thing, with little liquidy. Ashtau Panchath Tisro va Juhuya Dahuti Kramat. For each of the Shikhyadi Vastu Avarana Devatas, offer either Ashtahuti or Panchahuti or Tisrahuti. Tisraha Ahutihi Tisrahutihi. 3 Ahutis. Either third Avarana Devata, Shikhyadi Avarana Devatas. Kramat, sequentially it should be done. Means for each devata 3 ahutis, each devata 5 ahutis, or each devata 8 ahutis. You have to finish with each of these dravyas. With Samit 5 ahuti, with Charu 5 ahuti, with Godhuma 5 ahuti, with Tila 5 ahuti, with Ajya 5 ahuti. Then move to next devata. Shikhi Chaivata Parjanya. And for next Parjanya devata, you do all these 5 dravyas, each dravya 5 ahutis. Kramat, sequentially. Evam Krutva Pradhanakhyam Homa Karma Yathavidhi. In this way, Evam Krutva, having done this way, Pradhanakhyam Homa Karma. This Pradhana Homa, this is the main part of the Homa. After having done this main part of this Homa, in this way, Yathavidhi, as per the injunction. Tataha Svishtakritam Hutva. After this, do the Svishtakrit Homa. Svishtakrit. Agnaye Svishtakrite Swaha. All the Veda mantras are there. Set of that is called Svishtakrit Homa. Next is Hutva Homashesham Samapayet. After having done this, Homashesham, the rest of the Homa should be finished. Homashesham Samapayet. Finish the rest of the Homa. Bahvannam Bahushakadhyam Bahubhakshya Samanvitam Dattva Balim Guruhu Vastudevanam Hotribhis Saha Vastusuktam Japam Stishthet Prarthayan Nripate Shubham. Then after having finished the Homa, Bahvannam Bahushakadhyam, Bahuvannam, lot of annam. Bahushaka, Bahu, lot. Shaka, Shakam means, Shaka is branch. Shakam means vegetables. Shakadhyam, Adhyam means Nityananda. Bahvannam Bahushakadhyam Bahubhakshya Samanvitam Dattva Balim. The bali has to be offered. Bali should be with lot of rice, with lot of vegetables, lot of bhakshya, various food varieties. Balim Vastudevanam, for whom these bali should be offered? For the Vastudevatas. Balim Dattva. After that, Hotribhis Saha Vastu Suktam Japan. Who should do all these? Acharya should do. Along with the Hotas, he should stand Japam Tishthet. Japan Tishthet. He should stand and do the Vastu Sukta Japam, and then Prarthayan Nripate Shubham. He should pray for the Raja's auspiciousness, for the Shubham to happen for the Raja, for the Nripati. Ityakasha Bhairavakhe Mahashaivatantre Samrajyalakshmi Pithikayam Mahashantyanga Vastuhoma Swarupa Kathanam Nama Saptadashav Patalaha Atha Ashtadashav Patalaha Mahashantyanga Grahayajna Swarupa Kathanam Tataf Puravrato Rajna Grahayajnarthamadrije Acharyo Brahmana Sardham Ritvigbhis Sahito Shtabhihi. We'll continue with the 18th chapter in the upcoming sessions. With this, we'll conclude this session with the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tatsat Sarvam Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam.